In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a basic PowerPoint presentation. This setup takes just a few moments to complete. To start, open your web browser and navigate to the Microsoft PowerPoint online website. This will allow you to access PowerPoint without needing to download any software. Once you're there, sign in with your Microsoft account. This step ensures that your work is saved and accessible from any device. Next, you'll want to click on the New Blank Presentation option. This action will open a fresh slide deck where you can begin adding your content. You'll see a default title slide appear, ready for your input. Now click on the Click to Add Title text box on the slide. Here, you can type in the main heading for your presentation. This will be the focal point of your first slide, so make sure it captures the essence of your presentation topic. Once that's complete, move to the Click to Add Subtitle text box. This is where you can add a brief description or subtitle that complements your main title. It helps provide context for your audience right from the start. From here, to add a new slide, look towards the top menu and click on the Home tab. Then select New Slide from the options. This will insert a new slide into your presentation, allowing you to continue building your content. With that out of the way, click on the Layout button in the toolbar to choose a slide layout that suits your content. Options like Title and Content or To Content can help organize your information effectively. Now, to add text to your new slide, click inside the text box and start typing. This is where you can elaborate on your topic, using bullet points or paragraphs to convey your message clearly. Finally, to add some visual interest, click on the Insert tab and select Pictures to add images to your slides. This can help break up text and keep your audience engaged. And there you have it, a basic PowerPoint presentation ready to be shared. Remember, you can always go back and edit or add more slides as needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you create your next presentation with ease.